Needed it. That just fell. That's my life.
This is the way I live. Little boy still pushing big wheels. I stack my money, lay low and chill.
Hey friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. My name is Massiel, just in case you're first time on my channel, and today I have a very exciting video for me because I am a neat freak. So I've been wanting to do this video for like a week now. I've been holding it off and making a sacrifice for you guys. But anyways, I just got done organizing my boyfriend's closet. So this is the final outcome. Now my closet looks crazy, and I usually don't keep my closet this messy, but I've kind of, you know, I'm extra, so for the purposes of this video I kind of just let clothes build up in my closet, and there was a couple of things I wanted to reorganize in my closet. So it's going to be kind of like a decluttering, spring cleaning type of thing, but let me just show you what my closet looks like right now. Yeah, this is what we're working with, guys. I know, it's bad. So we're gonna fix that. I'm kind of waiting for my boyfriend to come home so we can eat, and then I can focus on this. But this is the before, and we're gonna turn this into this. As you guys can see, I've pretty much cleared mostly everything out. This is just my makeup collection. If you guys would like a video on that, let me know. This is a confetti popper, so I'm gonna go put that in the storage room. And then these I'm too short to grab, so once Tay gets here, I'll make him move that for me. He's over here.
What's that? I'm watching How to Get Away with Murder.
Alright, you guys, so I just finished this. I had gone home. Not gone home. I went to work after I started, so I finished a little later than I thought I would, but we're done. Pretty much I'm going to show you what I decluttered. So this whole bag is a bag of clothes, mainly winter stuff that I know I'm not going to use anymore. And then this is summer clothes, and if you're interested in seeing some clothes I'm selling, I'll make sure to leave my DEPOP account down in the description box for you guys, because I will be selling some of my clothes. And lastly, these three things inside of this bag are things that my friend let me borrow and I never gave back, so I need to keep this one actually aside. And then lastly, all of this is trash from my closet. So I'm going to show you guys around. So looking at an overview of my closet, this is now what it looks like. Over here I have my outdoor outdoor outerwear, and then my dresses and rompers and all of that jazz. And then right down here I have my hamper full of clothes I need to wash, which I'm gonna do in the morning. Up here is kind of like some storage and that little witch, what is it called? Like a witch bowl. I have all my Halloween makeup, and then these are just some empty boxes for when we do end up moving to a house. I have those saved. Okay, so over here is some of my Halloween stuff. So I have 2 wigs in here, and I just cover it up with these 2 fall hats. And then this little rack I think I got from Walmart, and it just holds like my heels, sandals, slides. It's convenient for storage. Down here I have my memory box, and then another little container to hold papers. And then these 2 containers I got from Walmart. On the left side, right here, I have my underwear, bra, and then socks. And then the way I organize these are the ones I was super excited about and what really helped me organize my closet. So this top one is all of my jeans and like business pants. Second drawer, my pajama pants and comfortable pants, sweatpants, stuff like that. And the last one is my shorts and t-shirts. So that helped me out a lot. On top of that, I have kind of like my gym bag, and it just holds some stuff for now. Then over here is my camera bag, and back here is my book bag. But from far away, like, it looks decent. And then my clothes, I have it color coordinated. Luckily, I don't like to wear patterns unless it's, as you see, like on dresses. So this doesn't look too tacky with a little bit of patterns in between. But yeah, I just color coordinated it. That just fell. That's my life. I'm gonna go fix that. Okay, I fixed it. Up here, so before I moved out, I had this in my room. It's kind of like a memory board. Trying to see. So it's just some Polaroids. There's my baby, and there's my other baby, Elizabeth, and then just cute little memories. Yeah, so I have that up there. It's always cute to look at. My main purse in the middle, honestly that's like my only purse. I have little tiny purses which I should probably move over here. I probably will do that later. And then up here I have my shoes. Once I get more shoes, I mean obviously I have this container for my sandals. Once I have more sneakers and stuff, I want to get an actual like shoe rack kind of thing to put over here. But whenever we move into a house, I want to do that. But for now, my shoes will remain there. And lastly, my makeup collection. This thing I got from Michael's. If you guys want to see a makeup collection, let me know in the comment section. But yeah guys, here's a final overlook. So I'm gonna go see how tired I look. Wow, it's midnight. Tay's in the living room playing video games, so I'm gonna shower and then we're probably gonna go to bed. But I am so happy I got this out the way. Like, it looks so much better this way. I don't know about you guys, but I love watching decluttering videos. I find it so satisfying. So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see videos of me cleaning the entire apartment or my bedroom or whatever, let me know, because I know it sounds weird to even like want to see that, but I watch those videos. So yeah, see you guys in my next video, and make sure to subscribe.